Something else I really love to incorporate in my class that could be used in a wide variety of content areas are Hyperdocs. So this one for a WebQuest. This is great because it allows student choice. We know how important that is for our student learning, how we can personalize it to individual student needs. So this is great at the end of the unit. A lot of different things for students to choose from, what's going to be best for them. Like for this example, for this first one, students are creating free body diagrams based on different forces in different scenarios. So it's going to take them through the prompts where they have to create based on a situation. So they're using that technology to create the free body diagram, creating those vectors to identify the forces acting on that object. And it even checks their answers so that they're able to modify and make those changes for later. To show that they understand that idea, then back in their Hyperdoc, the skill that we use is to insert drawings. And this is something that our students know and are comfortable with. So again, they're using this technology to create a product to demonstrate their learning. So creating that body diagram, using text, using arrows to be able to insert that free body diagram directly in to show their understanding. Also, a choice of video. I love to make YouTube playlists so that students have that choice, either based on need or based on interest. So if a student is struggling with one of Newton's laws specifically, or maybe needs a review of all of Newton's laws, they're going to choose a video accordingly and then write a reflection. Or even just interest. So if they're interested in football, that's going to be a little bit more captivating for them as they read and review through. Review games. So Quizlet, we know, is a great review tool for students. This one is a little bit more just matching examples. This is a little bit lower level thinking, but again, good practice before they're going to take a test. This is a good way for them to understand if they're understanding those concepts, a good reflection, and they love to beat their time. And finally, CK12 simulations, which I love. So students, again, are answering questions based on that simulation, demonstrating their knowledge so that I know if they're being successful, if they're understanding an idea, but using that technology to manipulate in certain situations. And again, the technology that's giving instant specific feedback. So if a student is not understanding a concept, they're going to know right away and be able to make that adjustment accordingly.